If you want to work faster with AI, Claude can be a seriously powerful assistant for writing, coding, research, brainstorming, and even analyzing documents. In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI to chat and work faster, step by step, so you can get better results in less time. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Claude in your browser and start a new chat. Once you're in a fresh conversation, the most important thing is to clearly describe your task or goal. The better your instruction, the better Claude can help you. Instead of giving a vague prompt, tell Claude exactly what you want, who it's for, and what the final result should look like. For example, if you need help with a customer email, you could say, write a professional reply to this customer explaining that their issue is being investigated and that we'll update them within 24 hours. That gives Claude a clear direction and saves you time on editing later. Next, if you have any relevant files, upload them directly into the chat. Claude can work with documents, PDFs, and images, which makes it extremely useful for things like summarizing reports, reviewing notes, analyzing screenshots, or extracting key information from long files. So if you have a 20-page PDF, a meeting transcript, or a project document, just attach it and ask Claude what you need from it. For example, you could say, summarize this 20-page PDF into 5 key points, or you might ask, extract the action items from this document and organize them into a checklist. That way, Claude does the heavy lifting for you. Now, one of the best ways to use Claude is to ask it to rewrite, brainstorm, or generate content. If you're creating content for work, school, or business, Claude can help you draft outlines, write emails, generate ideas, improve wording, or even turn rough notes into polished text. You can ask it to make something more formal, more concise, more persuasive, or easier to read. If you're working on a blog post, presentation, or social media caption, Claude can help speed that process up a lot. After Claude gives you a response, don't stop there. A big part of working faster is asking follow-up questions. You can request revisions, shorter versions, more detail, a different tone, or a completely new format. This back and forth is what makes Claude so useful because you can refine the output until it fits exactly what you need. For example, you might say, make this more professional, or shorten this into 3 bullet points, or rewrite this for a beginner audience. That simple step can save you a lot of time compared to starting over manually. Once you're happy with the response, copy the final output into your document, email, presentation, or project. That's it. You've now used Claude AI to help speed up your workflow, reduce repetitive tasks, and get better results with less effort. If you want more tutorials like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next AI workflow guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.